day everyone, and welcome to our channel. How are you doing? Well, I just do hope that we're all doing fine despite the difficulty of our situation nowadays. Well, before I forget, for the first timer in our channel, please subscribe. Last time I talked about on how to make a meat farce that I made into a sausage and a loaf. So I even use it to make a pasties. Today I'll be talking about another basic sauce, which is the emulsified sauce. You know guys, there are two emulsified sauce used in the hot kitchen. I mean in the whole kitchen. One is used in the hot kitchen and that is the Hollandaise. And the other one is the mayonnaise used in the cold kitchen. Today we'll talk about Hollandaise, the sauce used in the hot kitchen. So I'll show you how to make it step by step so that you will be guided, and should you want to make it, you can easily follow that procedures. So if you're ready, this is how to clarify butter. You need a pot of water and of course the butter. You will just have to put the butter into this pot of hot water and then bring it to put it on the stove and bring it to boil. So now the butter is already in the pot, and then we'll just bring it to boil and then lower the heat and let the butter melt, and then it will just clarify. Well, actually when I'm still at cometry, in the morning I'll put about 1 pound or yes, 1 pound of butter in a bain-marie pot and put it on top of the oven. And then when I go back to it after about 2 to 3 hours, the butter is already clarified. So that's also one way. And the fastest way is to put it in a microwave oven. Well, that's the fastest way. Look guys, the butter is starting to clarify. The buttermilk will settle at the bottom of the measuring cup, and then the clear butter would just be on top. We'll just take the clarified butter and then we'll use it to our Hollndaise sauce. So now you can see clearly the buttermilk is in the bottom of the glass measuring cup and the clear one is just on top. So okay guys, we will make a Hollandaise. These are our ingredients. First, we have to have 3 pieces whole egg yolk, and then 1 bar of butter clarified, a little bit of water, and then calamansi juice and salt and pepper. And of course we have to have a mixing bowl and a whisk. This is the first thing that we will do. We will put the bowl with eggs on top of a bowl with water, and then we'll start to whisk it until it is fluffy. Okay. This is how to make Hollandaise. First you have to double boil your egg yolk and then cook it a little bit until it turns white. This is yellow, so later on it will turn white. Okay. But you have to control your heat because it will turn into a scrambled egg if it is too hot. Okay. So slowly. Now it's getting thick. Okay. Okay, now once you start to see the flooring is showing when you whisk, there is a signal that it's almost ready. It is a sign that it's almost ready. Okay, so a little bit more. Make sure you don't really heat the water so that it will not become scrambled egg. Okay. It's almost done. Now we turn it off before it becomes scrambled egg. Okay. Now we will transfer it into a container with cloth so that it will not be moving. Okay, now the bowl is transferred in this container. Then we will slowly pour in the clarified butter. Okay. So you have to pour it slowly, so that it will not break, so that your sauce will not break. And this is how to do it, to make a Hollandaise if you're just alone and nobody would hold the bowl for you. Okay? So, you cannot use the circular motion of beating because the ball will move. You have to form an 8 or S. Anyway, the result is just the same. Okay. Although sometimes it contradicts with what the schools and some training center is teaching. Because usually they say that you have to beat in circular motion, one direction. Okay. Anyway, there's no difference. The result will just be the same. Okay. You just have to maintain the speed of your whisk. Okay. Should you think that it's a little bit too thick, just like this, you can add a little bit of water. Okay. So this is how to make a Hollandaise. Okay, so now we'll just have to squeeze the calamansi juice Or if you want, you can use a lemon. And then, here's the salt and pepper. You just have to mix the salt and pepper. And then, season it. That's it. So guys, this is a Hollandaise sauce. From the basic Hollandaise, you can make a lot of variation. You can make a Béarnaise sauce, a sauce foyot, a sauce chiron, and etc. etc. No? Okay. Should you want to know the variations, you can just search at it at Google. Just search Hollandaise variations. Then internet will give you all the variations. At least this is the basic. Get it, guys? So we'll just transfer it in a container. So guys, our Hollandaise sauce. Got it? I believe I have clearly shown you how to make a basic Hollandaise. So, from clarifying the butter up to the step-by-step procedure on how to really make the basic Hollandaise. For different variations and derivations of this mayonnaise, we'll see each other on the advanced culinary. Okay, so next video we will be talking about another basic emulsified sauce, and that is the mayonnaise, the basic mayonnaise that is used in the cold kitchen. So before I forget, for first time, don't forget, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. This is Chef Don Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.